Programming, in its most basic form, can be traced back to the early days of human civilization, where people used symbolic representations to carry out calculations and automate tasks. The history of programming, as we know it today, however, can be traced back to the mid-20th century, with the invention of electronic computers. The first electronic computers, such as the Atanasoff Berry computer, ABC, and the Colossus, were designed primarily for mathematical calculations and code breaking during World War II. These early computers were programmed using machine language, which required the programmer to write instructions in binary code, which was a series of ones and zeros that the computer could understand. However, the process of writing code in machine language was complex and time-consuming, leading to the development of higher-level programming languages that used more natural language constructs. The first high-level programming language was Fortran, Formula Translation, which was developed by IBM in the 1950s for scientific and engineering calculations. This language enabled programmers to write code using algebraic expressions and other natural language constructs, making it easier to learn and use. Following the success of Fortran, other high-level programming languages such as COBOL, Common Business-Oriented Language, Lisp, List Processing, and BASIC, Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code, were developed in the 1950s and 1960s. These languages enabled programmers to write code that was more easily understood by humans, and helped to make programming more accessible to a wider audience. In the 1960s and 1970s, the development of operating systems such as Unix and programming languages such as C and Pascal helped to establish programming as a legitimate field of study and profession. These languages and operating systems were used to develop some of the earliest software applications, including word processors and databases. In the 1980s and 1990s, personal computers became more widely available, and programming became more accessible to individuals outside of academia and the computer industry. This led to the development of programming languages such as Python, Ruby, and Java, which were designed to be easy to learn and use, and which could be used to develop a wide range of software applications. The Internet also played a significant role in the history of programming, with the development of the World Wide Web in the early 1990s leading to the creation of programming languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which are used to develop websites and web applications. The rise of social media and mobile devices in the 2000s and 2010s further expanded the reach of programming, with the development of mobile applications and social media platforms requiring the skills of programmers and software developers. Today, programming is an essential part of many industries, including finance, healthcare, and entertainment, and has become an indispensable tool for creating software, automating tasks, and solving complex problems. Programming languages continue to evolve and adapt to changing technological needs, with new languages such as Swift and Kotlin emerging to support the development of mobile applications and machine learning algorithms. In conclusion, the history of programming has been a long and varied one, spanning centuries and encompassing a wide range of technological advancements. From the earliest forms of symbolic representation to the high-level programming languages and software applications of today, programming has played a crucial role in shaping the modern world and will continue to do so for many years to come.